I was going through the process to get a loan for a condo. We went to the bank in particular, and I'm not sure what his title was or anything, but he was running the numbers and getting my salary and all that kind of stuff. And he said that I was gonna have to have at least $100,000 at closing down in order to purchase the condo, which didn't make sense to me. I didn't make a lot, but the condo wasn't that much. And so it was a really bad experience for me and left a really bad taste in my mouth. The other one, the loan that she had for me, it was the same thing. It was gonna require a lot down for me. And so Tom actually got me in at the closing that I was hoping for. The biggest difference is it's like, I don't even have to think really when it comes to Tom compared to these other ones, because he just knows his stuff. He's done it for years. I didn't know exactly how it worked, what I needed to do, but also he wanted to take the time to meet with me in person to explain how everything worked, you know. So one thing that surprised me with Tom, especially, or more particularly with this house, was when we first started, we were thinking of going with this, I think it was an FHA loan. Tom called me and we were just kind of reviewing some things, and he said, just so you know, like there's this other loan that we might be able to do that might be a better deal for you. I'm gonna look into it and see if you qualify for it, and then I'll follow up with you. And this was a few months after we had kind of figured out what we were gonna do on the loan, besides the rate, of course, because that changes. And so that really surprised me, because that was the loan we ended up doing, and it was a much better deal for me. He's the best. He wants to make sure that you get the right loan, the best loan. He's easy to work with, and he's attentive to any concerns that you have, and he'll, make sure that you are happy, basically. With a mortgage, I know it can be like a really daunting thing to think about. And it was for me when I first looked into getting a home. But with Tom, if you're looking for something that's easy, not only just easy, but easy to understand, it's smooth, and it's just a good overall experience that can be somewhat scary, then Tom is the one to go with, because he makes all of those things come together. One thing with Tom too is he responds very quickly, and he has very good communication skills as well. The reason that I choose Tom was for the overall experience. And with Tom, you get the best experience possible.